Hello again.
Welcome to another episode. Today we are going to cover pro tip number 2, how to ride a motorcycle, intermediate level. Pro tip number 2 will talk about how to hold the handlebars of the motorcycle. So this is not the right way. Your hands should not be like this. In fact, your hand should be close to your chest. Your hands should be as close to the chest as possible. So instead of keeping it wide like this, try to bring it closer. That's step 1. Step 2, try to hold the handlebar of the motorcycle as slightly as possible. Remember, pro tip number 1, you have to hold the motorcycle with your thighs. You have to hold the tank, and that is how your motorcycle will get stability and control. Handlebars, just hold it like you're holding a little object, a tiny soft little object that can break easily. So very softly, very gently you hold your motorcycle. Once you have held the motorcycle, these 2 fingers, you have 4 fingers and 1 thumb, yeah? So these 2 fingers, first 2 on both the hands, try to keep them on the brake and the clutch lever. It took me, I rode for almost 10 years by holding the handlebars like this. It took me 6+ or probably 7+ months of practice keeping both the fingers on the brake and the clutch lever. And this has helped me, people. This is the right way to ride. If you want to be a better rider, pro tip number 2, hold the motorcycle, keep your arms as close to your chest as possible, and hold the handlebar as gently as possible. Keep your 2 fingers of both hands on the clutch lever and the brake lever. In cases of emergency, the reaction time will be very less and very quick, and it is also making you a better rider in the process. I hope you like pro tip number 2. Thank you for your time.
Have a good one. Bye.